Yeah, the my last video, I made a notation that I was gonna share my thoughts and my efforts with these subframe connectors. Got them off of eBay. I don't know, $112, $125. Um, Purchase, shipped right to the house. They're fine. I mean, they're a good product. I'm happy with them. Um, I got them out of the bag, out of the box. They were bagged individually. Sat them down, looked at them for about an hour, hour and a half. Had the car up in the air. Had it up on jack stands and had it on ramps. So when I was underneath the car, I had myself mobile. Had my drill ready, drill bits ready, wrenches. So the wrenches I used were custom bent. Put it to you this way. So when I go to the flea market, I see a 9/16 wrench, a 1/2 inch wrench, 7/16 wrench, 5/8 wrench. I buy them and I bring them home and I take the torch and I make a custom bend in them, shorten them up. Not every wrench is usable in its factory bent position. You always got to have that special wrench and that special bend. So that's what we used right there. Did I have patience doing this? Yeah, absolutely I had patience doing it. The kit's a good kit, good product. I'm happy with it. Took me, I don't know, after I looked at them, after I sat around and figured out a game plan, I would say probably like 2.5 hours of doing the job. So I'm happy with them. I'm real satisfied, and I thought I'd share it with you. The biggest thing is just be patient, have your tools ready, have your nuts and bolts ready. I did use the U-bolt that came with the kit. I think 6 U-bolts come with the kit for installation. I only used 2 of them on the back side of the subframe connectors. Otherwise, I used good grade 8 bolts up front. I'm happy. Good product, and we're moving on. Appreciate it.